Right.
Okay, first of
So,
all, can you please confirm me once more time? Is everything okay or not? Is there any network issue?
mhm. No, sir.
No, sir.
So what was your first question? What does mean by immutable, right?
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Immutable string.
It's a very simple and actually most popular question from basic actually. So what does mean by immutable? Simply English word only, nothing more than this. Means what? Not changeable. What? What's up?
Not
Not
changeable.
changeable.
Not changeable.
Change.
Okay. Maybe I discuss in our core Java session, or if you miss or if I didn't explain whatever, leave this one. But don't worry, I have a plan. Actually, I am making some videos also about core Java collection. Here you will, okay, I'll discuss this collection also separately one video, whatever. So first of all, as you asked this question, and what is our time? Okay. So simply let me explain very just few things. Consider you have created one object, right? Simply you have created
Mhm.
one object. For example, student, student class. For student class, you are creating one object like new student and S is pointing here, right? Yes or no? Yes, first confirm me.
Mhm.
Person,
Yes.
your doubt?
Yes.
Tell
Yes, sir.
me. Okay, yes, fine. Student. So consider in the student class, like student. So in this student class, for example, ID, for example, integer ID and for example, like plot is anything, whatever, like integer ID. Simply consider integer ID and I can take, for example, anything, for example, phone number, like let me take it integer also. Okay, integer phone number. Okay, phone number. So consider this is your ID or this is your role, no problem. So whenever you will create an object, right? Whenever you will create an object, okay, you can assign value
Mm,
using setter method, right? Or parameterized constructor. Yes or no?
Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
I repeat once more time.
No, no.
For example, here consider ID equals to 10, ID equals to 10, and consider
10.
the phone number, whatever phone number, consider whatever the
Something.
number, okay, 017 something something, okay. So now tell me, this
Mm,
is right now, this is the situation, yes or no?
Mhm.
I have
yes.
nothing, there is nothing to explain from here. Now tell me, if I ask you, Are, right now this is my correct number, right? But I have changed this number, okay? Right now the number is, for example, plus double eight zero one three 10 double four
Mm,
double three double zero, okay? And this is our permanent number, so whatever. So consider this is our number, right? Okay, now tell me.
Mhm.
So now tell me programmatically how to change. How to change? Can you please tell me? Simply you can
we
assign
create a.
s dot phone number now. Right now, what is the value?
Mm,
This is now
mm,
Mhm.
leave about
Yes.
zero, leave about everything. Simply I am starting, for example, 1310 double four double three double zero. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
mhm.
right now,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell me? Can you please tell me what will happen? This will be changed, right?
Mhm.
Consider you have a glass, for example, consider integer a equals to 5. So right now, what is the value of a? 5, right? Right
Five.
now, you can
Yes.
assign a equals to 10. Right now, what is the value? It will cancel and value will be 10.
10.
10.
Consider you have a
Yes, sir.
glass.
Mm,
You have a glass right now, you are pouring some water, later you are pouring some water. Okay. So right now, value
Mhm.
5, then value will be 10. Is it clear?
mm,
So now please tell me. So what will be the phone number right now? This is the current phone number, right? Yes or no? So phone number will be changed. Can you please tell me, have we created any new object or we have changed in the previous object?
Change in previous object.
previous.
So we have modified, right? We have already modified the
Yeah.
previous object. Now tell me, is it changeable or not changeable?
Changeable, of course.
Then means
Changeable,
what?
sir.
So don't say changeable because it is a simple English word. Say, okay, programmatical word. This object is mutable, okay? Is it clear?
Mhm.
Okay. Mutable.
Consider, consider,
Yes.
consider you have this object, but you are changing something. You are changing what?
Mm,
Something, right?
something.
Okay, whatever, like you are changing the phone number, you are changing the ID, whatever you are modifying, right? You are adding, deleting, whatever, no issues. Something you are changing. So it will change. Array, I have
Mm.
already a previous object. I don't want to change. I don't want to touch this object, boss. Rather, I should create one object. Like right now, ID equals to 10, okay? And
Hmm.
phone number equals to like what? Okay, 1310443300. Okay, boss. I am creating a new object
Mm.
and S is pointing to this object. Okay,
Hmm.
is it clear?
Yes.
We're creating a new object.
For example, your JVM is thinking like this. You are telling your JVM, hey JVM, please don't change the existing object. If anyone change, okay, boss. If anyone change, then what I should do? Simply, you should create a
Okay.
new object, okay? But
Create new one. Okay.
don't touch the previous object. So simply, JVM will create an object, and right now S is pointing to this object. Okay, S will cancel, it will be cancelled, and S is pointing to this object. Is it clear?
Pointing second one.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So right now,
Yes, sir.
tell me, is it possible to change this object? No, right?
Previous one, no.
Right now, this
No,
object
sir.
is immutable. Okay. So, okay, this type kind of question, like how to make your object immutable, no problem, we can discuss. But right now, leave this one. Have you got some basic idea about mutable and immutable?
Hmm.
Yeah, yes,
The code
yes, sir.
Java concept.
Clear.
I will leave this one. Okay, this is about actually spin. Sorry, Hibernate class, right? Okay. Please, if you have any kind of question, okay, from Hibernate, whatever we discussed in our previous session, then please you can ask your doubt. First of all, can you please remind me what we discussed in our previous session?
Many to many, sir.
Many to many.
Okay, many, too many. Now tell me if you have any question, otherwise we can move forward. Any question, please ask.
So I have some errors, sir, but
Hmm. What kind of
so
error
I
it
think
will
it's
be?
better. Sir, when we run the program, so in many to many, it will say the field EID doesn't have any default values. I have sending these questions and program.
Have you
Just
seen
minutes.
this program?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's
Have you watched the
visible, sir?
previous video? And I already uploaded, right?
This error, sir. Field EID doesn't have default value. So you told in many to many the
Where you have sent the error? Where you have sent the program?
WhatsApp, sir.
Just
Sir, it's intermediate table. It's does not create it, sir.
just
It's visible, sir.
I didn't receive the message. Okay, but no problem. Yeah, this one. Let me check. Okay, maybe. Okay, let me check. Mm, this is many to many, right? So
Mhm.
package. Okay.
Can I show program, sir?
Sorry. Can I?
Can I show the program, sir? This
You
one.
can please share. You can share. Okay. Last you can share.
Yeah. This student class, sir. Sorry,
1
this
minute.
is minute one. 1 minute.
Mm,
Minute 2 minute. The employee and projects as you teach. So, so product ready product name. So this is project class and this is employee class.
okay.
So
Can you
when
please
we
run the
run
program?
the 1 minute.
Okay, couldn't. The statement could be it doesn't have equal to. Okay, let me run in my system. Okay, let me check. Please, you can stop me this thing. Uh,
Mhm.
Just let me check for a second. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
first
think
of all,
something.
you already know now what is many to many relationship, right? For
Mhm.
example, this was our
Yes, sir.
one class. Can you please tell me what was the class name?
Project and employee and project.
Employee. One second, okay. Employee and another
Project.
class or another table. What project type?
Mm.
Okay, project. Okay, no issue. Fine. Or it's sister. Whatever. So, for example, this is like EID, employee ID, and this is what? For example, can you please tell me what is the name? What was the field name? E name, right?
EID.
E name, okay.
Mm.
And this was the
My name.
EID and what?
PID and PNAME.
Fee
E.
name.
So we discuss, for example, like ID number one, name, for example, anything, and ID number two, consider project one, and any project name, okay, like Google Docs, Google Drive, anything, okay, Google Photos, whatever. So this employee is working in this two project, this employee is working this project, right? Means
Mm.
from both side, one to many relationship, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
I think no need to explain this part, right? Should I repeat anything? I think no need. Okay. But you are getting
Also.
error in the program. So already we have two program, right? This is what employee, right? BID and project name, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
What are you getting? And
Yes.
Yes, sir. Project name.
this is
Project ID.
employees. Why? Because
Employee
relationship is
list.
one to many. Why? One project. But I think it is better, first of all, let me discuss the employee, right? Because this was the first object, okay? Try to understand. So this is what actually, this is the table name, right? I think no need to explain entity table
Employee table.
employee, right? Okay. So this employee has a EID and E name, yes or no? This object has a EID and E name, yes or no, sir? Do I repeat anything? I think no. And already you know,
No.
na,
Mm.
one joint table will be created, one joint table will be created, yes or no?
Mm.
Yes.
What was the joint table name? Like employee project. Okay.
EM Pro.
For example, employee to project. Okay, employee to project. So here, what
Mm.
was the joint column name? I think you need to explain this point also. Okay, EID.
EID.
And in,
EID.
which one is not joint column? Okay, or inverse joint columns, right? So from the employee perspective, in the joint table, EID is the joint column and the PID is the what? PID is the inverse joint columns, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
I think no need to explain anything. And why a list? You told me to create a list. Why? Because one employee is related to multiple projects, right? Yes or no?
Project.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think no need to explain anything from here because you only told me to write like this way. Okay, based on you, I written the code. Okay, I wrote the code. Okay, with this one. And the main thing no need to explain. Now, this is auto-generated code. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Okay, just simply one constructor, parameterized constructor, setter method, getter method, and maybe two string method. So I think there is no question here also.
Sir,
Okay. Sorry?
I have one question.
Mhm. From here.
Yes, I hear not, but
Mhm.
sir, suppose this is one object and this is one object.
Mhm.
So this relationship is one to many.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
So here to here, left to right, one to many.
Mhm.
So another side, many to one. Is it possible, sir?
So you mean from one side,
Hmm.
one to many.
This is student class and this is order class, sir.
Leave
Okay. So this side to this side, one to many.
Mhm.
So in same program, this side to this side, many to one. So
First of all, it should understand, okay,
First,
consider. Means what? One object means what? Actually, one to many and many to one both are same actually. Even
mhm,
many persons say they don't different anything. They don't make any difference, whatever. So just consider. So from one side, one to many, right? One to
mhm,
many means what? Consider one boy and many girls. Okay, one to many. Just
mhm.
should understand one to many. Okay, relationship is possible. And from another side, from another
From
side,
another side,
many are one.
many to one, sir.
many girl,
One
One
boy.
boy.
one boy, right?
Mm.
Both are
Hmm.
exactly same, na?
Yes.
Hmm? Please tell me. So
Yes.
you are
Yes.
telling what is your question?
Background.
Maybe are you asking like this way? This is one boy and one boy is related to multiple girl and this one girl is related to multiple like for example, let me draw. For example, this one girl is related to another multiple person or multiple maybe yeah, why not? There are relation table to table relationship is possible. But here you have asked the question from one side one to many. Both are same actually. From this side, just 1 minute, let me change the color. From one side relationship is one to many means what? From another side relationship is many to one, right? It's by default, right?
Many to one.
No, no, sir. I wanna mean this is one.
Hmm.
This is student. One minute. This is one student. Okay.
Just one.
So
Let me clean.
this to this,
This is one
this
person.
to.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
in same program, this
Mhm.
is one to many,
Mhm.
but in same program, can it possible many to one?
वही तो बता रहे थे.
Same student,
Mhm.
not another student.
Yeah, from this side, relationship is what? One to many, right? And also
Yes,
consider
sir.
from this side, many girls related to one boy. Relationship is what?
Many to
Many
one.
to one.
Hmm. Okay.
Many to one. Yes.
Possible.
Is it one to many?
Yes.
Is it many to many? Is it one to one? No, it is many to one only, right?
No, no. Many to
Okay.
one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This side,
It means, sir,
many
many to
girls.
one and one to many. It's available in one program.
Listen,
Can
if
we
one
write?
to many exists, then from the other side,
Yeah.
many to one exists, right?
No need to write another program.
Even in one to many also I discussed maybe the even okay, leave this one. So I have there is no question and okay, leave this one. So joint table, okay. So what is the purpose of joint table? I don't want to say anything even in a single word already you know. And just come to the project class, okay. Yeah, project ID, project name, projects employee, okay. Leave this one. Anything need to explain?
No, sir.
Many to many and why mapped by and you are telling the starting point, right? From where you have started, okay? Starting point, the reference actually, okay? Employee. So why we are using?
Yes.
Because one project, okay, one project is related to multiple employees. So we are using list. Yes or no? Anything?
Uh-huh.
I think no need to explain. Okay, leave this one. Everything is ready. First of all, we have what? We have two tables, right? One is employee, you will response, right? Please, if you revise the previous class, then I no need to explain the same concept. Okay. So it is highly recommended. Okay, just observe employee, and this is what project, right?
Uh-huh.
And this is what project ID. And can you please tell me what are you listening?
Project name. Project name.
The ID and E name. Okay.
Ah, yes, sir. Listening.
Okay. So now tell me, consider this is ID is one. Okay, and any name. Okay. Right. So let me use another color and consider this is ID is 2 and for example binary. Okay. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Consider project ID is for example 101 and another project is 102 and name is equals to for example Google Docs and for example Google Photos or any whatever. So you already know it is not possible. It is not possible, right? Compulsory. We need a join table, right? We need a what? Join table. To make this join table, to create this join table, we are using one annotation. Can you please tell me what is the annotation name? Join table only, right?
At the
At
joint
the
table.
join column.
Joint table.
Any name you
Table
can
था column.
decide, right? For example, employee to project,
Hmm.
employee project, okay? With this one. For
Hmm.
example, here EID and here what?
PID.
Okay,
PI.
nice. Now tell me, for example, you are telling array 1 is related to 101, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Then 1 is related to 102. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Then what? 2 is related to 101 and 2 is related to 102. Yes or no?
Two.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Any confusion, Faisal?
No, sir, no.
Now, let me do the same thing.
One, two,
Let me go to the
many,
main.
many.
Already in the previous class, we created the main class also. So this is our main class. You know how to create the session. Okay. How to create the session and transaction. And we are creating one employee, right? Like winner and
Hmm.
okay.
Dinner, sir.
And something mistake, this will be true, okay? Because primary key should not be the same, right?
Yes.
And first of all, it is not recommended. Both persons are having the same word, the same ID. It is not recommended, okay? Then, for example, project Google Docs and Google Slides, okay? 101, 102. Any confusion up to now? Like Google Drive, then
No,
Google.
sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Person, is there any confusion?
No.
Now let me continue. Delay. So you already know now why we are creating an array list. Okay.
Hmm.
At least, yeah.
To store the list of projects.
First of all, this is our consider array
Many, many.
created, right? Like this is consider Google Docs and Google Slide. Okay, then we can connect like Binoy to this array list and Poisol to this array list. Means Binoy is related to this array list, even Poisol is related to this array list. Means what? Relationship is one to one array list or one to many project, right? Because many project available, many project are inside your list. Okay, very simple thing only. No need to explain. I hope just observe right now. Okay. So any confusion up to now? I think no need to explain anything. And what we are doing? Okay, we know then. Okay, there are two object now. We know set person. Okay, in this we know we are setting. Okay, this array list using setter method. In the first sole object we are setting using array list. Using what?
Hmm.
Using
Earliest,
setter
yes.
method. Nothing more than this means what then? I think no need to explain. But if you face anything wrong, please let me know. We are using setter method. This setter method is available inside what? Inside the employee class. I think no need to explain, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. No.
You already know. If you forgot, please watch the previous video once more time. Okay. Then simply we are saving. Okay. Nothing. Okay. So let me run, right? Let me check. We are getting any error on. Sure. Can we run?
Yes.
Yes. Java application. Okay. We are getting error, right? What is the error? Can you please tell me why error right now? Please first tell me.
Mapping, sir, I think.
Tell me the exact
Many.
how to solve. Tell me how to solve. First tell me.
Able to locate, persist.
Yeah.
Add.
Add generated. No,
So
no.
Hibernate.java.
Mapping related, yeah.
Add annotated class.
Entity class quite kind of like.
I think it's already there. No.
Okay. So I'm not
Hmm.
saying, okay, simply a configure. Okay. Tell me how to write. Okay, CFG, right?
CFG dot.
EFG dot add
Okay. CFG dot add annotated class.
add annotated class com dot checks of
Employee, right? Employee dot class also.
Hmm.
We need to add another, right?
yeah project.
Okay. Project. Okay. Right now, let me run. Okay, can we run right now?
Mhm.
Let me check what
Save
is the mistake or what is wrong. Like
transaction
data application. Just let me wait because of multiple. Let me check the database. Just a moment. Let me go.
Sir,
Can you,
commit. Sir, commit
transaction
T tx dot commit.
what
transactions.
you can say in my system right now? Can you see the MySQL command line?
No,
No,
sir,
no, sir.
not visible.
Just one.
I think you forget, sir. Tx dot commit.
Let me share this.
Transaction is not used, sir. Transaction.
Sorry, right now.
All process completed.
Sorry, where I need to change?
Line number.
Tx dot commit. Uh, after session dot save.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sorry.
Two times.
Transaction
Two
commit.
times. Once more, sir. Once more. I think
X.com. Fine. Let me run.
two times.
Why two time required?
No, sir.
Because
Recall session dot
got
save two
rejected.
times. That's why.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you see the MySQL database right now?
Yeah. Visible, sir.
Hmm.
So
Yes.
whatever.
Use HBDB database.
Let me run. Let me go to my database. Let me show you the account. I think nothing is wrong. Still now we are getting. I think let me check what is the error we are getting. Just 1 minute. Couldn't execute statement. Just 1 minute. What is the mistake here? Hibernate log section. Couldn't instance. Project table inside. Okay, just 1 minute. So, okay, just 1 minute. Are you observing? We are getting some error, but are you observing? There is something happening, some SQL code. Can you please, can you please check at the above? We are getting some error with this one,
Could not
but 1 minute.
foreign
Let me scroll
Tabs.
just one minute. So are you observing? He's doing some, okay, something like he's trying, even he's creating something like create table, okay. Internally is
Mm-hmm.
all the SQL operation. Leave this one, even he's trying insert into employee tables, okay, but we are getting error. Leave this one, leave this error. I'm solving, but one by one, let me check what is the database situation. Show tables, okay. Okay, there are multiple tables got created. Just 1 minute. So mainly two table now. One is employee table, another one is
Project table.
okay, project table. Just focus on this two table. Leave all the things. Project table, employee table, and employee to project, right? Yes or no? Let me check it. Select start from employee to project. Okay, empty, right? Just 1 minute. Let me
Yeah.
check all the things. Start from employee table,
Project
empty. Okay,
empty.
let's start from why we are getting
Project table.
project table. Okay, we are getting error, and let me just read the error actually. Just 1 minute. Just a moment. Let me foreign key constant cells. Foreign key constant. Okay, constant violation. Maybe just let me just check once more time. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me delete everything. So this is our what actually. This is our main class, right? This is our main class, right? Yes or no?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Are you observing? Are you observing here? Wait a second. We are saving only Binoy and Poisson. We are going to save, but we are not saving the remaining other also, right? For example, means yeah, only we are saving these two objects. Okay, means we are performing only one side operation. One side operation, right? Yes or no? This table, this create this table only, but we need to save the data also, right? We need to save the data like what
Project.
project, right? So
And
simply just 1 minute. Let me save this one also. How to save? Can you please tell me? How to save this GD? A session. Please save this
session.save.
Google. Okay, save now. Save what? Google Docs. Okay. Sorry, Google Drive. Any okay? Is it okay? A session. Are you getting my point? Save, or you can use parses
Yes.
simple, right? Instead of save, just like let me check. If I use parses method, session.1. Parses. Sorry, observing we are not getting any error, right? Let me use save method also, whatever.
Yes.
Save method.
Another.
What like GS Google site. Okay.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. Let me control this. Let me run right now. If we get any error, no problem, we will take care.
Another
We
lecture.
save the project or
Just 1 minute.
employee also.
Can you please confirm me in the screen? Can you see anything?
Nothing, sir.
Any video related things?
Only ID.
Why sound?
Only ID is visible.
Whatever.
STS.
So just observe. Now let me run this program, right? Let me run Control S. Control S. So main class. Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
Just let me check. Are we getting any error or not at this time? Okay, we are not getting any error. Let me go to the database. And let me check. Okay. So for example, simply select star from, for example, employee to project. Okay. Are you observing 11101, 1102? Is it clear? I didn't
Yes.
select start
I
employee table, okay? And select start from what? Employee table and what? Project table, right?
Project.
Project table. So is it clear, guys? Any confusion up to now to understand everything?
No, no, sir.
Okay, I hope you got this point. Simply you got this point. If you have any kind of question, you can ask right now. And I recommend you, I'll upload this video. You can watch every once more time. And if you face any question, you can ask your doubt. Whatever. Up to now, any confusion, can you move forward?
No, sir.
Okay, first, any confusion up to now?
sir, we need to save employee and project.
Obviously, we need to save everything, right? Because if we save only what? If we save only object and personal object, if we save only employee object, then employee table data will be available, right? We need to fetch the project data also, right? Project table data also, or we need to send data to create the project table also. Is it clear also?
Yes.
We are
Yes.
consider we are not passing any value, right? Anything. Simply we are saving the Binoy object, means employee object. But who will create this project, right? Who will create if you don't save? Is it clear? Okay, any confusion?
Yeah.
Any
Yes, sir.
confusion? Not in me. So I hope you are able to fetch the data also, right? So to fetch the data. Is it possible or not? Please tell me first.
Yes, sir. Possible. Possible.
Right now in the database, data is available. Can you please help me how to fetch? I think simply I can delete everything.
Session.
If I can I delete
Session.
everything? Can I delete everything?
Yes.
Now please tell me how to fetch, how to get the data.
Session.get, sir.
To
For example,
to get
so in the database, I think I don't need to write the table once more time. You already know. In the database, employee table is available, right? Yes or no? And which table available? Project table and another table, joining table available, right? Yes or no? So now
employee or project.
how to fetch data, how to fetch
Mhm.
data. So if we want to fetch only one record, you know, for example, this is EID and E name, employee name. How to fetch? Are session, hey session. Okay, tell me.
Session.get.
To get, right? I want to get. Are you want to get this class or this class? Which one? Then we need to pass the class name, right?
This one. Employee one. Yes, sir.
For example, employee. Okay, employee dot class. Okay, are you specify the class name, but yeah, there are multiple data like want to which record you want to fetch. Are I want to fetch data number record number one. Okay, then you are passing one. Is it clear? Any confusion? So it will return you one object only now.
No.
Which object?
Employee object.
Employee, right? Employee. So right now you will get one object. And this is storing EID you need, and already you know one list also, right? So simply let me do the process. Tell me the code. Can you please tell me the code? A session dot get
Session dot
Session dot
get
employee
dot class. Then I
us
remember
also.
one. Okay. Any confusion? Like
Pass.
for
No,
example,
sir.
what was the first name? Just 1 minute. Let me check the any name you can use, right? But here I am using Binoy only for understanding purpose.
Pin
Okay, any variable. Okay, anything wrong? Anything wrong?
No, sir.
So you can print, right? SOPLN. You can print how to print Binoy dot. Okay, like get ID, right? Get EID plus what? For example, ename na? Yes or no?
Mm.
Simply get
In
Yes.
in parent,
ename. So if you want, simply you can shift and control this. You can keep inside a sys out, right? Sys out. Simply you can print here, and you will get your data. Yes or no?
hmm,
Should I run? Should I run?
Yes.
hmm, yes, sir.
Okay, run. You are getting the data. Just 1 minute. Java application.
And we get data project also, no?
Sorry, we are getting one and binary. Any confusion? Here
No.
you are simply printing the ID and name, right? You are not printing anything, right? So you know it is not recommended. We
Mm.
mm, okay. So I need to drop another class. Okay, just observe. So is it first of all tell me, is it recommended to print like this way
No, no, sir.
or boosting method only?
To string method is better, sir.
Okay, now tell me why I need to change in the employee class only now.
Mm. We read to string method.
This is our employee class. Where I need to change? Please tell me.
To add twisting, नहीं है.
There is no twisting, right?
Right click, yeah,
Yes.
generate twisting. Select all.
Okay, I think let me modify. Just 1 minute. I don't like this here. For example, simply I want what EID, right? ID class. I want to modify this one. Okay, class EID.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing. Okay. Simply it will return like this way. So let me run the main class right now. And let me check. We are getting a menu ID. So yeah, no need to write simply instead of this one. We can write what? Denoy only, right? Denoy. Any confusion? We are simply printing the reference.
Nice.
Any confusion, guys?
No, sir.
Was there any confusion?
No, sir.
Already you know how to, what is the purpose of twisting and how twisting one. Okay, one way now.
Mm-hmm.
So can you please tell me
Mm-hmm.
in which class twisting method present?
Which class? Object, sir.
Okay, object class. There is a class now, class object. In this object class,
Hmm.
there are some important method. Among them, one method is toString. What is the purpose of toString method?
To represent the string of
To represent the
representation.
So return the
String
reference,
representations.
right? Reference or address. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay?
Mm.
yeah, yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, but you already know, for example, there is a class like class employee, code job only, class employee. So we are telling, array. So right now, can you please tell me in the employee class is toString method present or not?
Employee class, yes, sir. Present.
ToString method present, right? Why? Because of inheritance. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
We are telling array toString method. I don't need to return the reference. I need to define. Okay, you already know whenever we are printing reference like any object name, for example, like employee, whenever we are printing SOPLNE, it will print what? It will call the toString method only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Whenever we are using the reference, internally it will call which method?
Call the toString.
We are telling our
toString.
method. So we are defining toString method, right? You can define toString method
Mm-hmm.
like your way. Okay. Any confusion?
Hmm. No, sir.
For example, you know, right? Maybe are you present in our? Yeah, maybe you are not present. For example, A like 2, 3. Oh, this is an array. So you know if I print A, what will happen? And for example, string just okay. Can you answer me this question? Like string S equals to, for example, Jack software. Okay. So can you please tell me if I print SOPLN, what will happen? If I print S, what will happen? It will print the address or object.
Just
What,
ask.
Hmm?
sir? Jack's friend, sir.
So why it is not printing the address? Because there is a class. Which class? Can you please tell me?
Object class.
There is a class,
String
string
class.
class.
String class.
In this string class, there is a method. Which
To
method?
string to string method is present.
ToString method. They modify that ToString method like this way so that they print the object. Okay. If anyone asks you, like employee E, if I print E, it will print what? Address only, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. But
No.
string S equals to something. If I print S, then Y, what will be the result? Are you able to answer?
Yeah.
Okay. So I
In
hope
a string,
there is a method already now. This is the inherited method.
toString.
Twisting that they define the twisting method like this way so that they print the object. Okay, this is code Java only. Leave this one. Let's come to
Hmm.
the Hibernate class. Okay, any confusion up to this? Can you please confirm me?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So you are able to what? You are able to press the data only, right?
Mm.
Yes. Yes,
So,
sir.
okay. For example, whenever you are printing like this way, one object will be created, Binoy, and Binoy is printing this object. Can you continue some more time? Just let me continue this part and I will give you one assignment or SW. Okay, just a minute. So already you know how what is the working method, what is the internal working one object will be get method return the object and we know is pointing to this object, right? In this object, there is a EID, name, and also another member. Can you tell me the member name?
Wait,
That
sir.
one.
Just this is an
EM
employee.
Pro.
EID, name, and can you please tell me
Project. List of project.
projects only na?
List of projects, sir.
This type.
Okay, how to access? How to access the EID? Array, you know, please boss, I want to get the EID. So you are using get EID. Yes or no? So how to access these projects? Array object, okay. Get projects, right? Yes or no? Getter method only na?
Mm-hmm.
Why getter method?
Mm.
Because the member is private. But in our case, member is not private. Simply you can. It is highly recommended to use private. Okay. Any confusion?
Mm-hmm. Yes. No.
No, of course.
I don't think you are getting on. So can you please tell me how to fetch? Tell
Yes.
me. Array
And
object
session dot.
by
We need
session.
out.
Sorry, Vinay.
Get
Get
projects now.
EID होगा ना.
Get projects.
You want to access projects.
Get.
Okay.
List type.
Any confusion to understand up to now?
No, sir.
Please tell me. So internally, what is happening? This is purely code Java boss. So what is happening? First of all, for this get, one object will be created, right? Okay.
Hmm?
And Binoy is pointing to
Yes.
this object, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
There are three
Yeah,
methods.
yeah.
There
Yes,
are
sir.
three
In
field, three member.
refill, yeah.
Like one is
EID,
in
EID, ename or project
projects.
type project.
So we are okay. We are using EID and ename inside toString method, right? Can you remember?
Yeah.
If you want,
Yes, sir.
you can use this number in the toString at the same time. But here we are using separately for more understanding purpose. This is the projects, right? So this projects variable points another object. Yes or no? Another what? Another
List
array
type.
list.
Yes.
Another array list now.
Yes.
Another list, right? List contain multiple projects. So right now you want to access. You want to access Y. You want to access Y so that you can access this one, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Simply we are telling, hey, a object, please tell me the reference of this object. Nothing more than this. Okay. So I
Yes.
we got this point, nothing wrong. Okay, now tell me. Now tell me. We already know right now this. We already know the reference of this array list, right? A reference of this what array list or list. So can you please tell me how to access this array list or how to access this collection?
Mm.
How we
How
can
to access
access using
this?
for each loop now?
Yes.
Are you
For
getting my point really? For each loop or using what? I think you are facing. Okay. On this
each, sir.
observe. In the employee object, there is a member. This member is projects, right? Okay. This project point to this array list only now. Or shall I getting? So simply we want to get this reference. We want to get this reference. So we are telling, hey, a object, please get. I want to get the projects. I want to get the projects. So simply it will return you. It will return you the
Projects
reference.
of ref.
It will return you the reference. What is the type? The type is
Mhm.
list. Nothing more than this.
This type, yes.
I hope you will revise the collection concept once more time. This is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Okay. Leave this one.
Yeah.
But first of all,
Yes,
let
sir.
me continue this Hibernate session. No problem. I'll take the class. Okay. Because
Yes.
you
Yes.
already told me, start, please start what? Advanced Java. Then you are telling me to start what Hibernate. But I hope right now you are getting the point. What is the importance of code Java? This is the very basic. Okay. Leave this one. Okay. So simply we can
Okay.
access in multiple ways. We can access the list. We can access the collection in multiple ways. For example, we can use for each loop. We can use for each loop. If you want, you can use the iterator or iterator also, right? Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. Iterator, list iterator. No, sir.
Then can you please tell me how to access? Okay. Should I use
Iterator.
your iterator or list? Let me use list, right? Or iterator.
If we use iterator, then use iterator method.
So you know now what is the advantage of iterator then list. Which one then for each loop, which one I should use? Let me use for each loop also, right? As already you know for each loop. For each. Can you please tell me how to access?
For each.
For each then project, whatever. What do you want to access?
Project.
You want to access
We
project,
access
anything
the
it will be.
VNAM.
Like anything.
South system dot out.
It's out, okay. In simply we
System
can
dot out project.
so make sure
Yes.
in the project there is a method toString method, right? Let me go.
And the last.
There is no toString method, right? Yes, simply I'm completing in the session customer. toString method.
If it is not available, then output,
Can
sir.
you please tell me what will be the output?
Hash code.
Yeah, exactly. The reference, okay. So for example, like yeah, for example, P ID class, okay, for example, anything you can design like your Unless simply now let me run our main class. Okay, project main class. Just observe, I'm explaining once more time. First of all, let me show you the output actually. So are you observing? Simply leave about this one, leave about this one, leave about this one. Okay, leave about this
Once.
query, right? Leave about this query. So are you observing? Are you observing this point? So just please observe the ID number one is Binoy and he is working in this project like 101, 102. Is it
101. Yeah.
have you got
Tool
the point?
wrap and
So you can design like your way, right? You can design like your way. Now it's your task. Is it possible to get the project and to see this project is related to how many employees and what is the name? Okay, the same thing only, right?
mhm.
So this is your
Yes,
establishment.
sir.
You got the
Possible.
point? Have you got the point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can use your iterator also, right? If you don't want to use for each loop, you can use what?
Iterator.
How to use? Can you please tell me?
Y- Using iterator method.
So you want to access projects only, na? Array projects, boss. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I want,
Project dot iterator.
okay, I want an
Iterator.
iterator. So simply use a method iterator, na? Iterator. So simply you
Mm.
can, if you don't know anything about iterator, iterator is a one kind of object, right? What is iterator?
Mm.
First of all, what is iterator?
Iterator.
Don't know. So operator. Iterator operator.
Just observe.
No, no.
There is a method called iterator. It will return the object on top of one.
One by one
It
objects.
will
It will
return.
be represented.
Okay. So can you please tell me what is an iterator? Simply to make it very simple, iterator is an object, right? What is an iterator?
Iterator.
Okay,
It's
okay, okay. You can leave. Okay, leave this one. So simply one object. Why? Simply just within 5 minutes we are closing. Okay, we can traverse that collection, right? Now there is a benefit. We can using for each we can simply traverse, but using iterator we can traverse. Plus we can delete the object also, right? Yes or no? Should I show this one or should I
Mm-hmm.
close this session after now? You can simply, there are some methods also. I am not explaining directly. Let me write the code. For example, a iterator or while. I'm not explaining anything here. Okay. So there will be a cursor, right? You already maybe know. Just 1 minute.
Type. Iterator. Project iterator.
Let me read everything. Just simply, for example, iterator. So do you know what will happen? Just let me explain something. Okay? Consider you want to consider you have some folder. You have what? Can you listen me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Some folder. Consider you have some folder. So if you want to visit this folder, first of all, you need to take your cursor in this folder, right? Then you should click yes or no.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm not explaining anymore. Just observe. There are some utility method, okay, or some method, for example, like iterator dot has next. Are you observing? It will check
Yes,
if there
sir.
element available or not. Okay, and
Sir, it is pointing to cursor one by one.
consider this is your list.
Like for each loop.
Consider this is your list.
Yes.
Consider this is your list. Whenever you will create, consider there is a cursor, there is a
Mm.
cursor, there is a cursor. So cursor is right now here. Okay. So you are thinking, hey cursor, hey cursor. One cursor will be created. Just you can imagine like this way. Okay. If
Okay.
there is an object, then
As next.
okay, here's next. It will check Okay, if it's true, then please send me, please give me the next element. Okay, then please give me the element.
Mhm.
So we are using iterator. If it's true, then please tell me iterator dot next. But we need to use inside a loop already. Maybe you know. I think just observe. I'm not spending too much time. I can explain later. But this is the same. This is the concept actually, mean concept, nothing more than this. And if you want, you
Okay.
can print
Iterator has next.
system dot
Larger, longer.
iterator dot. Simply let me run and just let me delete this one. Okay. Let me print this out, this out. Anything we are accessing using iterator. I can explain later, just right now. Yes, it's true night. Simply let me run and let me close the session. You will learn later. Okay. Just observe.
Yes. That application. So I hope already you know what is your task, right? If there is any kind of question, you will inform me. Okay. I observe it. Mhm.
You are getting the same data.
Yes.
Okay. Any confusion if you have, you can ask.
Yes. No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here we get the project in also na
Project what?
project info
Project info.
also na.
Yeah, your this variable points to the project. So accessing this using these projects, we are trying to fetch, we are trying to get the project information. Yes. Any more confusion?
Okay. No, sir.
So
Can you close this session if you don't have any question?
what sir what my task sir what is it?
So, for example, we are accessing data using employee, but right now your task is you need to fetch projects, okay, like Google Docs, and you
Using
say how many employee are related to this Google Docs, okay?
using the
Mhm.
project है ना.
Observe. Here you are, first of all, you are fetching employee, right? And you are telling
Employee
how many, okay, this employee are related to how many what, how many projects. So your task is to fetch the projects and you need to say how many employee are related to this project. Okay,
this
same,
project.
I think same thing. Okay, if you are unable, no problem.
Yes.
I'll show you
Okay.
next day. It's 12.
Yes, sir, I will try. I try, sir.
Any
Thank
confusion
you.
you can ask. Let me stop that.
No, sir, no.
No, sir.